Hello student, now we will discuss ray optics, refraction in lens, signs of convention, lens formula and magnification. First of all is signs of convention. Suppose this is the convex lens and this point is O, the optical center, and this is the principal axis of the lens. Now first sign of convention is all the distances are measured from the optical center as origin. That is, all the distances are measured from point O, optical center. Suppose this is the incident ray of light, incident on the lens from the left hand side. Now second convention is distance measured in the direction of incident ray are taken as positive. As in the diagram, the distance measured in the same direction of incident ray are taken as positive. Now third sign of convention is the distance measured in the direction opposite to the direction of incident ray are taken as negative. As in the diagram, the distance measured in the direction opposite to direction of incident ray are taken as negative. Now fourth one is the distance measured above the principal axis are taken as positive. As in the diagram, the distance measured in the upper direction above the principal axis are taken as positive. And fifth one, the last one, the distance measured below the principal axis are taken as negative. As in the diagram, the distance measured in the normal direction below the principal axis are taken as negative. So these are the new signs of convention. Now next is lens formula. For convex lens, if real image is formed, the relation between the distance of the object u, the distance of the image v and focal length f of the lens is called lens formula and is given by 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. So this is the convex lens and this is the point O, optical center of the lens, and this line is the principal axis, and these 2 points are f, focus point of the lens on either side of the lens, and these 2 points are 2f point on the principal axis of the lens. Let an object AB is placed on the principal axis away from 2f. This is the object AB placed away from 2f on the principal axis. A ray of light from point A parallel to principal axis passes through the focus point after refraction according to the first rule to draw ray diagram. So this is the incident ray of light AE parallel to the principal axis and passes through focus point after refraction. Another ray of light from point A passing through the optical center passes undeviated according to third rule to draw ray diagram. This is incident ray AO passing through the optical center and passes undeviated. The two rays of light after refraction actually meet at a point A dash. So A dash is the real image of the point A. From point A dash, draw A dash B dash perpendicular on the principal axis and join EO. The perpendicular A dash B dash drawn from the point A dash on the principal axis is a real image of the object AB. Now from the diagram above, triangle OAB, similar triangle OA dash B dash. Triangle OAB, similar triangle OA dash B dash. And in similar triangle, the ratio of corresponding sides is same. Therefore, AB upon A dash B dash, AB upon A dash B dash is equal to OB upon OB dash is equal to OB upon OB dash. Put it question number 1. Similarly, triangle EOF and triangle A dash B dash F, these are similar. Triangle EOF similar triangle A dash B dash F. Therefore, EO upon A dash B dash is equal to OF upon FB dash, or AB upon A dash B dash is equal to OF upon FB dash, because EO is equal to AB. Put this question number 2. From question 1 and question 2, OB upon OB dash is equal to OF upon FB dash. As all the distances are measured from the optical center O, therefore put FB dash is equal to OB dash minus OF, because the remaining three distance OB, OB dash and OF are from the optical center. Therefore, OB upon OB dash is equal to OF upon OB dash minus OF. Put this question number 3. Using new signs of convention, OB is equal to minus U, distance of the object from the lens. It is taken because it is against the direction of incident ray. OB dash is equal to B, distance of image from the lens. It is positive because it is taken in the same direction of incident ray. And OF is equal to F, the focal length of the lens. It is also positive because it is again in the same direction of incident ray. Therefore from question 3, minus U upon B is equal to F upon B minus F. Now cross multiply, we get BF is equal to minus U into within the bracket B minus F. Now open the bracket, VF is equal to minus UV plus UF, or by rearranging, UV is equal to UF minus VF. Dividing both sides by UVF, we get UV upon UVF equal to UF upon UVF minus VF upon UVF. By solving this, we get 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Put this question number 4. This is the required lens formula for convex lens if image formed is real. Now next is magnification. So this is the convex lens and optical center O. This line is the principal axis and these 2 points are F, focus point on the principal axis, and these 2 points are 2F on the principal axis at a distance twice focal length from the optical center. Suppose an object AB is placed away from the 2F. From point A, an incident ray parallel to principal axis strike the lens at point E. It must pass through focus point after refraction according to first rule to draw ray diagram. And another ray of light passing through optical center passes undeviated according to third rule to draw ray diagram, and these two rays of light actually meet at point A dash. So A dash is the real image of point A. From A dash, draw A dash B dash perpendicular on the principal axis. So A dash B dash is the real image of object AB. Now the ratio of height of image to the height of object is called the lateral magnification. It is denoted by M. So lateral magnification M is the positive for virtual image and negative for real image. From the figure above, triangle OAB, similar triangle OA-B dash, triangle OAB, similar triangle OA-B dash. And in similar triangle, the ratio of corresponding side is same. Therefore, A dash B dash upon AB is equal to OB dash upon OB. Put this question number 1. Using the new signs of convention, we find that OB is equal to minus U, distance of object from the lens, because it is against the direction of incident ray. OB dash is equal to V, distance of image from the lens, it is positive because it is in the same direction of incident ray. AB is equal to H1, the height of the object, and A dash B dash is equal to minus H2, height of the image. It is negative because it is in the downward direction below the principal axis. Therefore, from equation 1, we get minus H2 upon H1 equal to minus V upon U. Minus minus cancel each other. So we get H2 upon H1 is equal to V upon U, or M is equal to V upon U, because where H2 upon H1 is equal to M, the magnification of the lens. Put this question number 2. Some other relation for magnification. Now lens formula is given by 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Multiply both sides by V. Put this question number 3. Now multiply equation 3 both sides by V. We get V upon F is equal to V upon V minus V upon U. Now because V cancel each other, so we get V upon F is equal to 1 minus V upon U. By rearranging, we get V upon U is equal to 1 minus V upon F, or M is equal to 1 minus V upon F, because M is equal to V upon U, the magnification of the lens, or M is equal to F minus V upon F, taking LCM in the right hand side. So put this question number 4. This is the other relation for magnification. Now multiply both sides of equation 3 by U now. Therefore we get U upon F is equal to U upon V minus U upon U. Now U cancel each other. So we get U upon F is equal to U upon V minus 1, or by rearranging 1 plus U upon F is equal to U upon V. Now in the left hand side, take LCM. We get F plus U upon F is equal to U upon V. Now taking the reciprocal, we get F upon f plus u is equal to v upon u. Implies v upon u is equal to f upon f plus u, because v upon u is equal to m, the magnification. Therefore m is equal to f upon f plus u, because m is equal to v upon u, the magnification. Put this question number 5. Therefore the lateral magnification is given by m is equal to v upon u is equal to f minus v upon f is equal to f upon f plus u. So these are the different formula for magnification for convex lens. Thank you very much.